Tired of being confined to Windows for your PowerShell needs? Get ready to unleash the power of PowerShell on your Ubuntu system in this quick tutorial. We'll show you exactly how to install and configure PowerShell, opening up a whole new world of cross-platform automation. First, we need to add the Microsoft package repository to your Ubuntu system. Open your terminal and use the command that downloads Microsoft's official GPG key, which ensures that packages come from a trusted source and adds it to your system's queuing. Next, we add the Microsoft PowerShell repository itself to your system's software sources list. This tells Ubuntu where to find the PowerShell package. Then, it's time to update your package lists with the command that updates the repositories. This ensures that your system knows about the newly added Microsoft repository and its available packages now that the repository is set up. Install PowerShell itself. Issue the command that installs PowerShell. Type Y and press Enter when the process asks for confirmation to proceed with the download and installation. Alright, once the installation is complete, you're ready to launch PowerShell. Simply type Porsche in your terminal, and you'll be greeted with the PowerShell prompt. Now, test out your new PowerShell installation by running a simple command like the one that displays your operating system's information. This confirms that PowerShell is running correctly and can interact with your Ubuntu system, and that's it. You've successfully installed and configured PowerShell on your Ubuntu system. Now you can start using PowerShell commands to manage and automate tasks right from your Linux environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cross-platform tips and tricks.